farm fresh apples, and I'll show some great ways to cut them. So if you're cutting them for snacking or just eating, you can cut them off the core. And then just do wedges or just a good size that you want to eat. And then another option you can do is a slice, which is great for a salad or something like that. And then another way you can cut apples is dice them into cubes. And so you can do that similar to an onion or anything like that, and you can just cut them in slices and then dice them down this way. And this is great for an applesauce or any baking or anything like that.